Today we will be opening Vmax Climax again. Hope we can pull our chase cards. Let's go. We have our Pikachu here to help us get the Pikachu secret character rare and gold card. Our first hit, Orbital Vmax. Nothing to fancy about. Nice pack, double banger. We have the Galarian Moltres V as well as our first Gradivia character rare. Here comes our secret character rare. We have the Duraludon Vmax. There goes out Pikachu Chase CSR again. Nice Sylveon Vmax hit. Always nice to pull evolution. We have pulled our Pikachu card, but it is the wrong one. Our Poliwag is here to help us. Let's go. Nice. We have our second double banger pack. We have the Sylveon V and the Howdoom character rare. Can't complain much. Wow. Back-to-back double hit back. Urshifu Vmax and the best character rare Leon with the Charizard. So awesome. Another legendary bird. Articuno P. Another single hit pack. We have the fan favorite Mimikyu Vmax. Not too shabby. Our final hit is Rayquaza V. No secret rare in this box. A quick recap. We have 5 regular V card. Another 4 Vmax hits. Last but not least, 3 CHR and 1 CSR Duraludon Vmax. Thank you for watching and please help to subscribe.